Hey guys, Ricky Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day. Um, yeah, pretty overdue for a video. Apologize for that, guys, but you may or may not notice that I'm using a new camera. Well, new to me anyway. Um, yeah, I hope you guys can see the difference. Still working out the settings on it, and hopefully it'll only improve, but the days of using this piece of crap Sony are behind us, hopefully. I'm already noticing a pretty big difference, more in focus than overall quality, I'd say. But I'm still tweaking with the settings, and hopefully I'll get it even better. But let me see. I can zoom, which is good. Yeah, settings are only available when it's not recording, but I can adjust exposure. Actually, on the old one I had an app and it let me do that on the fly. I think I could probably do the same on this one because it's an Android as well. But for now I think this is quite a bit better. Digital zoom. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be having... Oops. Accidentally clicked a button. I don't think I'll be having as many focus issues as I did with the old camera there. So yeah, might as well pick a lock. I really mainly just wanted to show you guys the new camera and its detail. Let's see here. Yeah, I can get way better close-ups. My old camera I wouldn't be able to like see the... Actually having a hard time here with this one, but yeah, see the fingerprints on my fingers and stuff like that. I wouldn't be able to do that with the old one. But yeah, might as well just pick a lock. I think really didn't think this through, but I think I'm just going to pick this this Lockwood here, and might as well take it apart if I get it picked. Usually like to use my homemade pick on this one. Hang on, stand by, I'll get that. There we go. I haven't used this in a while. Actually, now we can get a nice look at it as well. Still a little mark there that I'd like to get out, but for my first wooden handled pick, I'm really happy with how this came out. So yeah. Yeah, not a perfect camera, but I think it's a hell of a lot better than what I was using previously, and I think yeah, I already like this a lot more than than the last couple cameras that I had. So let's try to pick this. I haven't played with this lock in quite a while, actually, so see if we can pick it out of hand. Counter rotation number 2, 3, 4, might have dropped something, 5, probably dropped something for sure there. Oh, 1. Oh, we didn't drop anything. I really have the feeling for these Lockwood spools. I actually really like them. The tapered ones, they're a whole different story. They're quite the beast. They're hard to pick. You got to go over them multiple times. But yeah, we'll test out this camera on some up close stuff. These are some pretty detailed pins to look at, I guess. Actually, I'll take a serrated pin out as well. Maybe we can test that out too. But let's get this down here and try not to make a mess. Oops! Oh, I just dropped some pins in another slot there in my pinning kit. I'll just grab a couple more. Oop. Should be using tweezers, but oh, that's not even a serrated one. There we go. Alright. Okay, so let's see what we got here. More screws to take out, I believe. Yeah, I think I don't really want to lock that up because I don't know where the key is right now. Oh, I see it. But still, I'll try to keep it unlocked. But yeah, this camera I think will do a lot better. I think if I get the right light bulb, I think we'll be all set. And I also think I'm going to take this as an opportunity to re-pick some locks that I've picked in the past. For a couple of reasons. Just to have a good video copy of some of the locks that I'm more proud of. And just as an excuse to get some more videos. I only have so many locks, and yeah, it'd be good to be able to, you know what I mean, take advantage of being able to have more stuff to make videos on. So I'll probably do that. I don't think any of you guys will mind. Like Noctis Modus said, there's no rule saying you can't pick the same lock twice on video. If you have a reason you want to revisit it or whatever, there's no rule saying you can't. Oop. So there's five Lockwood spools, and I'll put this serrated here just to see if we can get a nice shot of it. I'm going to try this a couple ways since we're only at 8 minutes. Well, firstly, I have my beautiful camera stand that I can articulate in any position that I want to. Bring these up a bit too. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty nice. Oh wow, these are... Where am I here? Okay. These are fairly well tapered too. I mean, I knew they were, but it's almost like the old taper. It's not quite as extreme, but yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So close up like this works great. And now you can see how dirty everything is too. I also want to try and zoom in on them, see how that works. I'm guessing not as good as just bringing them up close. Works alright though, probably a little grainy as the digital zoom tends to be. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this on the computer, edit it, and see how it came out. I know things always look better on the computer screen than they do on a little phone screen through your viewfinder or whatever. So yeah, hopefully this is a lot better than my old camera, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. And like I said, I'll be redoing some of the locks that I'm more proud of, like ASA, Medico, CX5, yeah, ASA 700, I have a couple of ASA 700s actually. Oh, that's all crooked. Sorry, guys. The ASA 700 Oval, ASA 700 Snowman. Yeah, Medico. I forget, I have a few of them. But I'll leave you guys with that. And yeah, please let me know if the quality is just a bit better, leaps and bounds better. Let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.